situation right now, how it is. It's raining, it's dripping by midnight. This is gonna turn out to snow. Yep, people stocking up. We see all the shelves starting to look empty right now. So if you're out there, you haven't had it, something to, you need to come and check it out. Get some liver. Get me some liver right here. I like liver chicken. It's yeah. Yeah, people starting to stock up because of the storm. So if you're out there, you haven't had your stock, you better come in real quick before everything start running out. And it'll be another day or few before trucks come in. You see that? Wow. Yeah. Better get out. Oh my God! Look at. Man, right now the temperature is 1 degree centigrade. It's 1 degree centigrade. In the US we use centigrade metrics, okay? I bet. No, in the US we use Fahrenheit. So it's at 34 degrees Fahrenheit. And in centigrade, British metrics, I guess in Kenya it's 1 degree. And it's only like, it's not even 7 p.m. yet. So by tomorrow morning, by the midnight, all this rain is going to turn into snow. It's going to turn into snow. It's going to turn into snow. It's going to turn into ice. All this water will be ice. So there's something in America we call black ice. You see all this water when you're driving on the road, you can't see that it's ice because it's frozen. And you think you're driving on a dry road, but it's ice and you can't even drive at the time. So it's why it's very important not to drive at night. So right now I will show you when I get to the next store, right? So it's like 1 degree centigrade and it's only 6 p.m. So by morning, this is gonna turn into chaos because this temperature will drop to minus something degrees. So I'm taking you guys so you can see how people prepare last minute. I don't know why we do this every year. So welcome to the rich neighborhood of the Avenue, Frisco, Texas, where the people with money live right here. So, and take you guys to the next store right here, Walmart. Yep. So 34 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree centigrade. By the time it hits 7 p.m. or 8, it's gonna be below freezing. So by morning, all these rain, it's just be snow and sleet. Sleet is like frozen rain. Normally starts with frozen rain, which is like ice raining. and then after that it's gonna start snowing. So it's gonna be snow on top of ice, and that's dangerous on the road. So let's go. Let's see how Walmart is looking like right now. I just showed you Kroger. Kroger, everything is, yeah, let's see how it's looking at. Welcome to the bougie neighborhood of North Texas. It's a Frisco where the people got money live. People making good money, they live around here. Alrighty dude, alrighty dude, alrighty dude. Yeah. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I'm taking you guys to the biggest one. This is Walmart. It's like Nakumatt. It's like, I don't know in Kenya right now because I know Nakumatt shut down Tuskegee or something. Look at that one. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, people. A lot of people shopping last minute. I don't know why we do this every year. Instead of prepping in advance, we do things last minute. I don't get it. I don't really get it. Let's go, let's see. Already. Oh, God. Yeah, running out. Yep, no, there's no celery, nothing. Yep. Wow, totally cleaned up. Look, you can't get cucumbers and carrot soup. Yeah, everything else is all out. So by the morning, I bet there'll be nothing left. Yep. Yeah. All the shelves, everything is running empty. Yeah, look. Yeah. Last minute prepping. Yeah, everything. Literally, I'm talking about everything. Like, look. This is all that's left here. Last minute prepping. Unless you want to get the pork. I don't need pork. Look. Yep. Better rush, yo. Last minute shopping. Come, gotta eat. I love them gizzards, man. They taste so good. Yep. Yeah, click a sub, share, like, subscribe, guys. Support our brother. So that's how I just wanted to show you what's happening right now. Before we get hit by the storm tomorrow. Actually in the middle of the night. So if you're out there, you haven't shopped, go ahead, do your thing, man. Go ahead. So I'm at Walmart right now. I showed you a Kroger. Yeah, so try do it. Just go get some firewood, get some food, get everything. And thank you guys. Appreciate you. Yeah, so peace out. Holla. And stay warm out there.